Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. Okay guys, so if you are seeing my video for the first time, then please do subscribe to see my further videos. Okay, from the title you must be knowing the videos, so I won't waste a lot of time. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. Okay, good morning. Today I'll be eating yellow food whole day and I'm wearing this yellow shirt. Basically, yellow I wear very less because my dad don't like yellow color. So it's like dad ko nahi pasand to theek hai. But then also I got this one t-shirt on my wardrobe. Actually, this is shirt. Yeah. Okay, so let's come to the point. Today I'll be eating whole day yellow color food. So I have made list of food which is in yellow color and I can eat and it will be vegan. So I won't get a lot of problem, I guess. That's what I feel because first thing I am Jain. I'm completely vegetarian plus Jain. So I don't eat non-veg and what I have to avoid is dairy products. So it's okay. Usually in breakfast I eat khakra, that guju thing, and some or the other mamra or like kurmura or some or the other thing. Depends on my mood. And milk. So today no milk, nothing, and I am literally hungry. So I'll be having my breakfast, and for breakfast today I have kurmura, which is in yellow color, made by my mom, and some papdi. Yeah, it is called papdi. Okay, and all the food is made by my mom. I don't cook food because my mom cooks very well, and she's also having a YouTube channel of food like Taste is Everything, where she shows all of her recipes. So if you want to, just in case, check out, I'll put the link in the description box. This yellow kurmura my mom made, and this yellow papdi. So वैसे तो I don't eat a lot of stuffs, but ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा. Who else love kurmura just like me? If you guys do, then give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah. And this papdi also. It tastes amazing. Especially in breakfast. I know it's little oily, but it's okay. Zumba kiya to chalta hai. Usually, see, today is Saturday, so I'm at home. Usually I go to office. So I am in a hurry. So I do my breakfast really in a very fast. So Saturday and Sunday मिलता है, जिससे Sunday तो मिलता भी नहीं. Like Sunday I just wake up very late, so सीधा lunch. But Saturday ही मिलता है जहाँ पे I can do my breakfast शांति से. So I just enjoy my breakfast. Yeah, and I have made a list of a lot of things which is in yellow, but obviously I can't eat everything in one day. So I'll eat as per my diet, as per my appetite. And I eat literally very less. मुझे खाना बहुत कुछ चाहिए of different taste, but literally very less, like quantity is less. Okay, so after breakfast I guess I'll have my lunch, then evening snacks and dinner. That's all. And if you guys want to try such things, then I'll put all the items in the description box, so you can just have a look. And it will be all vegan, so it's amazing. And if you support vegan food, then do like this video and comment below something or the other. Yeah, time. And yes, I'm without makeup. It's just because it's Saturday and I don't use makeup when I'm at home or I'm not shooting, and this is just a normal video. So yes, I am eating rice and papad. लाइक कुछ और है ही नहीं. मेरी मॉम ने अच्छा सा राइस बनाया है विथ येलो कलर राइस एंड उसमें कॉर्न भी डाला है, सो इट फील्स टेस्टी. सो या ओके, दिस बनाना चिप्स येलो कलर्ड वन, दे आर अमेजिंग. हु एल्स लव दिस? इवनिंग टाइम and I'll have some snacks. It's yellow banana chips. Okay, so who else is just like me? If we are at work, we eat less, and if we are at home, then we just go on eating. And yeah, if you are also same like me, just hit like on this video and do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll enjoy these chips. In dinner, what can be better than this Maggie? Yes, it's superb. Like, वो भी yellow होता है. So yeah, it's going good. And I guess this is the last thing I'll eat in a day. Actually, I eat very less, so it doesn't matter. But then also, it was great. Okay guys, so it wasn't that difficult for me. I enjoyed it, like I enjoyed a lot, and I'm willing to try more such things. So if you like this video, then please hit like and comment below and do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah, bye bye.